Good, man.
How you doing, bro?
JP, man.
Appreciate you. V.
Good, man.
How you doing, bro? V. Okay.
What's up?
This the one that don't start, you said?
No, this the one that starts. But listen, though, I'm gonna be honest with you. We bought this shit. I mean, yo, he bought it, right?
Oh, this is okay.
Yeah,
this
it's his shit because he don't got an Instagram nothing like that. So I was
Oh.
going through. You know what I mean? I was going through because he's telling me exactly what to tell you.
Okay.
I got my own bikes, but we took out the battery yesterday, the old battery. That shit wasn't giving enough juice exactly to get it flowing. So now we got the new battery.
So you got a brand new battery. Okay,
Yeah, we got a brand new battery. We got the plastics right here. We got the air box in here too.
Okay.
We got everything. Basically, bro, that shit's just giving us a choo choo choo, and it's not cranking over, dog.
So it won't start.
We cleaned out the carbs yesterday, right? Like we did a soft clean.
Oh, y'all cleaned the carbs. Okay.
We cleaned the carbs. We did everything we're supposed to do, man. So just now, we just said, you know what? We'll bring it to somebody that we don't want to bring it to none of the cheapos. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Okay.
So.
Okay.
We came all the way out here, man, from Kendall, dog.
From Kendall?
Kendall,
Yeah,
man.
Oh, that's why I took that.
Kendall.
Oh, I ain't know that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro.
Okay, I ain't know. See, I thought you said okay.
I was in Pines.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
But I had to go get the bike in Kendall.
That's why I was so much move. Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy. Okay.
You work on Quadzillas?
Quadzilla, what's wrong with it? 500?
Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
Just need a little tuning.
Yeah, if
From
you
Vegas. I brought it down from Vegas.
from Vegas, Quadzilla 500.
Yeah.
And then crank it just needs a little tuning.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to bring it, you can bring it.
How much you charge for tuning?
That's light though.
That's light?
That's real light to me.
All right.
The tuning not
No,
nothing.
I need your phone number, man.
Oh yeah, take my number.
Shit.
I got you. I'm gonna give you my number. I got you. Yeah, if you want to bring that, that's nothing. That tuning, that's nothing to me. That's
But
real
you
light.
Get me on that soft kick. That
Man, soft
yo,
kick.
Listen,
And it-
Quadzilla ain't nothing to play with, dog.
Hey, I know that's a 500. That thing
Yeah.
got that compression.
Oh
Oh man, yeah, man.
So what? Yo, you want us to pull it down for you?
Yeah, we can pull it down.
All right.
We can pull it down.
Yeah, man. I got a couple bikes too, man. I also got my 250R. It's done up.
250
Shit cranks and everything like that. But I'm trying to get on some first kick shit, man.
First
That
get
shit-
dirt bike.
No. Your TRX 250R.
Oh, the two-stroke one.
Two-stroke.
Oh, that red one. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
another red one.
Yeah.
It's hard to find those.
Yeah, I got it. Got all them joints, man.
That's crazy, and it's clean. They clean.
Clean.
Like look
All
good.
my bikes are clean, man. I'll show you pictures right now. All my
Oh,
shit
that's
is clean.
crazy, man. Yeah, that
I only
Quadzilla.
collect vintage shit, man. I only like vintage bikes. Bro.
Yeah, bro, those bikes are very hard. You can get a normal bike any day, like
Any
anywhere.
day, exactly.
But the bikes you got, you can't really find those no more. You're not gonna find them.
You're not gonna find it. I'll show it to you right now.
Especially one clean.
Yeah.
What year is this?
I think this is. Yo, what did he tell you this one was? Because this nigga's an idiot. There's no
Yeah.
06. There's no 06 660 Raptors.
Oh, so like probably a 05. I think they started at 05.
Because it's only from 01, 05. They made the
05.
660s, right?
Right.
Exactly. That's what I was thinking too.
Okay. All right.
I'm trying to roll it back all the way though.
Ready, bro?
Yeah, but nigga, we'll pull it back all the way. Hold on. Put the end back. Let's just do one pull. Hold on. Pick it up right here with me. And just like pull it back all the way. Alex, you gotta pull it back all the way. Ready?
All right.
Hold on. Ready? Pull it back all the way.
All the way. Okay. And just drop it. Okay. All right.
You want the plastics and shit? Cause yo, you're gonna need the shit to put the battery box on it.
Oh, that? Yeah, I'll put on all that if you want me to. I got you.
So what, yo, you want us to bring you the other one too, or you just want to work on this one first?
It's up to you. If you rather bring the other one or just, it's up to you.
No, that's if you got room in the shop. I'm bring all my shit too. That's it. Listen, yo, we got two Raptors.
Oh man.
My shit's, man. Look, listen, yo. They just need the
man,
right
that's
tuning, and I see how you. My bad, yo, because it's fucking such.
Yeah,
but
I do the-
I see how you do the. You know what I'm saying? The
The
tuning.
V-touch.
My nigga. I can't be. Listen, I can't be like this all day, my nigga. You feel me? So that's why I was just like, yo, you know what? Let me see if he works on Quadzillas, because you're not allowed.
Show me a picture. Let me see how I look. Let me see a picture. I want to see. Let me see a
You
picture.
think I'm playing?
Yeah, let me see a
Come
picture.
here. Let me show you. Look.
That shit clean.
Oh yeah, that thing just got painted. You gotta watch the. Yeah, the car just got painted. Goddamn it.
Look.
Yeah, I just painted that thing.
Oh, you paint too?
No, somebody did it.
Oh,
Man. Hold on, man. Put the brightness up on this shit. Man, I got some of the illest bikes, bro. And my dogs are selling these right now. He wants 7 bands. He wants 7 bands.
Oh yeah, I
for
don't
both.
even.
No, for both.
I don't
bro.
even got to question you. I just seen.
Look. So let me see the watch. I'm gonna show you.
I know you know what clean is. You just showed me that.
yeah.
Come on, man. Look at my Quadzilla in the garage right now. Clean as fuck.
Oh man,
bro.
you ain't gonna
Look,
find that nowhere, bro.
Look, man.
You're not gonna find that nowhere.
Mint condition, dog. Hold on, let me show you outside my crib with the sand paddles it came with. with the sand paddles. Look at my shit. Look at the plastics, dog. Hold on. My shit's off.
You probably got the last one like that. That's clean. I'm not gonna lie. You probably got the last one, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm gonna bring it to you. Look.
A Quadzilla 500.
500, nigga. I
Bro,
need that
what
shit.
year that is? Like a
Mine is 90. The last year they made it. 90.
Oh, you got the last year.
Yeah, the last year they made it.
Nobody not gonna find that, bro. And look how clean it is.
Yeah.
That's a 500, bro. Quadzilla 500.
Wait till I bring it. You won't see. I'm gonna bring that shit, get tuned up. Now look at my 250R too.
Oh, way harder to find than Banshees. Banshees is
Yeah.
that's that real like.
You know that nigga Proven?
Oh man, yeah. Oh yeah, that one.
That's my
You got some.
250.
I ain't gonna lie. You got some stuff, bro. You got some stuff. I'm not gonna lie. You got that's some real.
Yeah.
That's some stuff I would never get rid of.
Yeah.
I never get rid of that.
That's what I told everybody. I told y'all niggas. Man.
Nah, bro. I wouldn't get rid of that,
The
bro.
only thing I'm missing, man, is a Banshee, and I had 4 of them back in the days, and I got rid of them shits. Yo, I used to buy them just for like $2,500.
You can still get a bad bitch. Not nothing compared to that.
I know that, but I won't, dog.
Man, you gonna find one easy compared to what that like.
That's $6 grand. I'm not paying $6 grand.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. They did go up.
$6 grand.
2,500 back then, like you say, but now like 6, 7.
6, 7.
Some people crazy. They want 10.
Yeah. 10. Niggas asking for 10, dog, for a Banshee.
Oh.
Shit, I used to pay 2, 3 grand for it, man.
With a title. Pay 25 with a title back then.
Title, dog.
But that 250, that bike, that's damn near worth that. That's 10 for real. That's 10 easy. That's worth 10.
I got them shits sitting in the garage, dog. These niggas be getting mad at me because, I never take them bitches out.
Oh, you don't really ride them?
No, I ride my Raptor. I got the same thing. But
Oh, you got it. Okay.
but my Raptor is,
You know people who paint?
What cars?
Nah, like who paint the plastics and shit.
Oh no, I don't know who paint plastics. Yeah, I don't know who too much paint plastics. Not really too much plastics, you know.
the foot is in it.
Oh, the airbox. Okay. So when did this bike? When this bike start acting up like that though? Was it ever running good? It was
When I
running
picked
good.
it up, when I picked it up,
This is the truth right here, man. He picked that one up. Where'd you pick that one up? Texas, right? So he picked that one up from Texas. Yeah, because
okay.
we do road running.
Okay.
You feel me? Trucking. So he picked that up on his way back to Miami from some dude in Texas. But he started it, but it didn't start running. I mean, it didn't stay running, right? It didn't stay running.
yeah.
So basically, when he brought it down to Miami, we tried to get it, you know what I'm saying, running.
Okay.
Still was giving us issues, you know what I'm saying? So I was just like, yo, he just came back in town, what, Saturday? Yeah, Saturday.
Saturday.
So we only had the bike for 2 days.
Okay.
So I was
Okay.
like,
So
yo,
you didn't never like. Okay.
Yeah, we like, yo, listen, man, let's bring to somebody that's gonna, that knows what he's doing. Because, he was watching that video yesterday. Or you working on a Raptor.
Yeah.
And I said, dog, I'll be watching this thing on Instagram. This nigga be clowning, dog. I'm like, you know what? Fuck it, man. Cause
He said I'd be clowning.
yeah, you be clowning on that shit.
Oh man,
You be clowning
that's
them
crazy,
boys,
bro.
man.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
But just I see. Okay. So you pretty much got that. Just a new bike.
Yeah. You don't know. Like,
You ever rode it? You ever rode it down the street? Like you never took it down?
Nothing.
So you pretty much just got it and just dropped off, like
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. But then you said just turn over.
I mean, listen, I wanted to actually wanted to fucking let me see something. Yo, grab the battery real quick. I'm just trying to touch it real quick so I can show you.
Okay.
You got the key, Alex?
Raptor 660. That clutch feel real good too.
Yeah, let's put it right there for now. Put that positive, man. Where's the positive link? Yeah, let's put the positive bitch in right now. Leave that negative one out. You got a Phillips? Yes, I could get it.
Screwdriver?
Okay, yeah. That's even better.
And you said the other bike, the power won't turn on.
Yeah. The other one, the power won't turn on. That one right there, we never even.
We ain't even fucking.
I mean, we jumped it with the solenoid. You know what I'm saying?
With the
So
solenoid?
yeah.
Oh, so it crunk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It crunk.
Oh, so it run good once it crank?
No. It didn't start. It didn't start at all. It didn't start at all.
It just turned over.
It just turned over. I gotta. You know what I'm saying? That's how you check them real quick to make sure.
Yeah, you know
turn
the solenoid.
Yeah.
Touch it.
Let's do it real quick.
Okay, so the other one, the lights just won't turn on.
Yeah.
Did that bike ever run good, or y'all don't know too much about that bike?
That one right there, we picked that one. Picked that one up in Bama. Same time, bro. One day.
Y'all really be okay?
Yeah, we be on the road,
bro. Be road running.
That's trip. Nah, it's good though, cause y'all find.
If you ever looking for some, you let us know, and then we'll bring you back some shit.
Oh yeah, I didn't even read your shirt. Nationwide move. Okay, I didn't even read that.
All right, what's the key, Alex?
That's how y'all find the best deals though. Across the road.
I think I was out of sticks.
That man say Alabama. That's crazy, man.
See, now it's doing this. I don't know why.
Oh, but at first. Oh,
See?
yeah, that sound. Ooh.
That's what I'm saying. Might be the starter too. You know what I mean?
Yeah, is it?
But it cranked over now. You just heard it.
Okay, when you bought the bike, did it crank up at all? Like from the guy? Like it boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Like it sounded good?
It wouldn't idle though.
It wouldn't
It
idle.
wouldn't idle, but just start up.
But now it's giving us this fucking issue.
Now it's giving you this. Like
We brought this bitch down. We only had it for 2 days, bro. 2 days.
okay. But the engine sounded healthy. Like the engine sounded healthy when he did crank it.
Yeah.
Like if he hit the gas and like it sounded good. But no knocking.
But there was some knocking.
It was a knocking.
It wasn't really. It was knocking.
Yeah, it made a noise. It wasn't there was a noise that shit made. I don't know what noise it was because he called me over the phone and I was trying to listen to the noise. Then that nigga shut it off right away.
Then he
You know what I
shut it
mean?
off. Okay, so because if it was a knocking, that could be something else, like a crank or something like that, or a valve drop.
But listen though, that's why we brought it to you, man. We trust you. You feel me?
Right. Okay.
All right, man.
You just want me to work my magic. Okay, that's pretty much what it is.
Come on,
Okay.
man.
Okay.
Listen, dog, we drove out here from Kendall.
That's what I'm saying, bro. That's why
And I'm about to bring him more than 5 bikes.
you
dog.
just told me that.
Nigga, my squad is 15
That's
deep.
really that's crazy, bro.
Nigga, we 15 deep, and everybody got bikes. You know what I'm saying?
That's crazy, bro. That's why you just talk. That's crazy.
You know what I mean? So, you let us know what it is, and if you really want us to bring the other one tomorrow, if you got room, then we'll bring you the one that doesn't start. That one right there, we don't know shit about. That shit got no power.
Okay, that's the one. No power. Okay.
No power. Yeah.
Okay.
But the engine sounded healthy though when I hit it with the cylinder. You know what I'm saying? There was no knocking. There was no nothing like
Not like this one, right?
Not like this one.
Okay.
So the other one is a special edition, right?
Yeah.
Special edition, I think 05.
Is that the white one?
No.
Is it white?
That one's
like a hunting edition.
yeah, hunting
Oh.
edition. Like it looks like a John Deere type shit. Yeah. Yeah. I don't got it.
Yeah, bro. Hey, that's why. Oh, hey, if you want to bring it, you just let me know. Though. Whenever you want to bring it, you let me know. You can bring it the day tomorrow. Just let me know, cause I know y'all drove kind of far. So if you want to bring it tomorrow, just let me know.
Yeah, probably tomorrow, like early.
Yeah, cause I know it's Kendall that
We
drove.
gotta text you, so I guess you will grab it. You know what? Let me grab your number now.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna text you it on my phone when I go in there.
Okay.
Dude, that's your IG, right?
Yeah,
Like,
that's
your.
my IG, that's
I'm gonna text you your IG, my number. Cause I remember you said just send the location to IG and that's.
Yeah, man.
And that was your number that you text me?
Yeah, my number.
So I just text your number then.
Okay, perfect.
I just text your number.
I got some clean joints, man, but I need them to be, cause I 250R, I ain't gonna lie to you, dog. That shit got a lot of compression.
I know, even the 250 and the 500, like I already know. Those some good bikes though.
Yeah, but you can't get them to start like that though.
What you mean with your hand?
Yeah. You can't get it, right? Can you?
You gotta break it. We have to find out.
All right. Shit, if you can get that shit to start, because yo, listen, man, Banshees are the easiest bikes to start. I've never owned another bike that's so easy to start, dog. Banshee, like nigga, you can just
Like go down like like butter, like
butter, nigga.
even though it got 2 pistons, still
I
go
know.
down.
Yeah. That's the only bike that can do that.
Oh,
Every
man.
other bike, dog, like nigga. them
You
shits are
feel
built
like
right.
the compression, boom,
You feel the
boom.
compression on that bitch, bro.
What about a 4-stroke or 450? You think that's easy? Do it with your hand?
Probably halfway, man. Not a 450, man. 450 got compression too,
I
dog.
know.
A lot of compression, dog.
I do 450s with my hand.
You do 450s with your hand?
Yeah.
How you get them that soft though, dog? That shit's crazy. My nigga, I was really watching your shit. I said, how the no? This nigga said, watch this. My nigga goes, And nigga, yo, you see him kiss the exhaust? That's some funny shit, dog. He be clowning. That nigga said, watch this. Nigga tapped it. Nigga said, he like this. Bing. I said, what the fuck? That's a cold start. That's what you call that shit. Cold start.
Real cold start.
Real cold start, dog.
When you kiss it. Cause anybody can touch it when it's warm.
Yeah.
When you put your lips on it, that's when you know it's cold, man.
Put his lip on it, dog. I said, nah, that shit ain't gonna start like that, dog. Nigga joke. I said, what the fuck?
He say, bing, bing, bing.
But yo, listen, they start like that every time?
Yeah. Yeah, all my bikes. Every single bike I got.
But how often after you done, I mean, like, yo, after how many rides do you change your spark plugs?
For a 4-stroke or 2-stroke?
The 2-stroke.
For 2-stroke?
Like your Banshee right now that you be on all the time.
Man, I'm not gonna say a lot. I had my bike for, what, a year? I haven't changed my spark plug in a year. That's how good my bike's is tuned.
Damn, you tune them that quick?
I'm serious, yeah.
That good?
Yeah, I'm dead serious. I haven't changed my spark plugs in a year.
What ratio do you run?
32 to 1. 927.
You think I should run that too in a quadzi? 32 to 1?
Yeah. 32 to 1, bro. Cause 40 to 1 and anything like that gonna foul your plugs. So 32 to 1 is perfect. You know, I'm not lying. I haven't changed my plugs.
Drop a little extra though, right? Like when you put it
well,
32 to 1 because on that little canister shit, you know what I'm saying? It'd be left over.
I'm not gonna lie to you. That's a good question. I use with 927, specifically 927. I use a little less because 927 is more thicker.
Oh, the Castro.
Castro 927.
Yo, I just bought that shit. I used to use Beano.
Beano. Okay, that's good too. Beano are good.
Okay.
You know, 927 a little more thicker than Beano though. So I use a little less. Okay. Yeah, I run 927, me personally. That's what I run on my 2-strokes.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna start using now.
You know, even Beano are good too. Now I heard Beano is good, but man. I run 927. You know, probably because the smell. I just like the damn smell, probably.
The
but
Beano, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
That smells good though. I ain't gonna lie, man.
You know.
Anybody behind you, they're like,
bro, yeah, it's the smell. I don't know what they put in it to make it smell like, but you know that smell is crazy, bro. But
yeah, man, that should be crazy, man, that he fucking started the bikes like that, bro. That's crazy. I'm definitely.
The man say he kissed the bike.
His shit, you know what I'm saying? His bike's still taken care of first.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna bring my shit just for tuning, cause my shit should be quick.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yours, that's why you say tune. I was like,
my bikes are quick, man. You just gotta tune them. That's it. Put gas, whatever the fuck, change spark plugs, and that's it.
It's gonna be pretty. This is more of like the project, you know. Yours is just in and out, like literally in and out. Like this, I'm gonna break it down and just see what's going on. You know, I'm gonna work my magic, bro. Not nothing. Take care.
Appreciate you, man.
Appreciate y'all, man.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate y'all, bro. For real. I got you, man. If you want,
let me know whatever it is. You feel me?
Hey,
yeah, that's what I was saying. You know what though? Like, I'd rather you text him too. You know what I'm saying? Like directly for his bike. So whatever he needs to purchase from you, or whatever Zelle, or I don't know how you work. Like, yo, how you do?
Oh, you trying to say you want me to pretty much have his number too?
Yes.
So
because he's the one that's paying for his bike. You know
so whatever wrong with his bike, text him. Oh, okay, because I got your. So okay, I'm gonna send you my number, and you can just give it to him. I'm gonna send it as soon as I go in there. I'm gonna send you my number.
So, but how do you work the whole transaction though? Like,
I usually break it down.
Break it down.
Break the motor down. Whatever I think going on with it. Like if I have to break the motor down, I'm gonna break the motor down.
Okay.
Then when I break it down, whatever's wrong with it, I'm gonna let you know exactly what you need. And the total. That's usually how I do it.
Okay.
You know, simple just like that. I'm just gonna hit.
So you gonna
quick
put the motor down?
Man. Because from what I hear, it sounds like it's not, but it might be. I'm just gonna do my, run my few tests on it.
Do your due diligence.
Due diligence, and I'm gonna tear it down if I have to. Quick.
All right. Perfect.
You know.
I'll give him that key though.
Yeah. Oh, you got. Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So we'll bring. You know what? We'll just we'll bring the other one tomorrow.
Yeah. You want to bring tomorrow?
Yeah, you know what? That's what I was telling him. If you do open it up,
okay.
Would you suggest them to go just a little bit bigger?
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. If you open that bike up, see, I'm gonna tell you something. It would be best to go back with the OEM, bro. Because sometimes when you go bigger, that causes other problems.
All right.
I'm not gonna lie to you, because I get this question a lot. That's why I knew where he was coming from as soon as he said that. Like, should you go? Because a lot of people they want to do that. Like, since they break their bike down, like the top end, they'll be like, okay, I'm just gonna, big board over.
Just keep it over.
Give it a little more spunk.
Yeah.
You know. But me personally, bro, I'd rather go back with the OEM because the OEM gonna last forever. And that bike is probably like an 04. It never been rebuilt.
Yeah.
And it's 2022 now.
Yeah.
You know, see how long it lasted?
Yeah.
You know, so if you go back OEM again, it's gonna last another 10 years easy. So it depends on how you take care of it.
Yeah.
Like I just did the top end on my Banshee. I went back OEM everything. I could have went up then, but I know that OEM gonna last longer. Like the standard is gonna last longer, bro.
You're running T5s on them, right?
Nah, I got FMS.
FMS?
T5 sound good too though.
Well, you like FMS better?
I like FMFs.
Yeah.
But see, the T5, I know it got like a different sound to those.
That pitch is different, though.
I like it. I like T5. That's why I'm like, okay, I like FMF, but I like T5s.
Because you can't run a stock motor for CPIs. You got to get work.
Oh, nah, yeah. That's definitely, yeah. I can't put CPIs on that bike. It's too much. It's breathing too much.
But dog, if you ever know somebody, man, that's selling a crash one, because I want to build it from the ground up. That's what I really want to do for my Banshee. You feel me? Or one that's just busted up. Let me know. You know what I mean?
A crash
or a roller frame, or whatever.
Oh, so you pretty much just want to build it yourself. You don't want to buy it running.
Nope.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, cause when you build it yourself, you know what you got, bro.
Yeah. Listen, man, I want to paint my frame. I want to do some crazy shit to my bike.
So you know that's your bike.
All my bikes are doing crazy shit.
You created that.
Exactly. Especially the Banshee, bro.
Okay, so you just want to buy a frame though, right?
If you got a roller, meaning shit's already rolling, you know, I'm talking about brakes and everything is on there.
So you're not worried about the motor, right? You don't care about the motor?
No, I'm
okay.
not worried about the motor.
Okay,
so if you find me a rolling chassis, bro, I'll grab that any day. And then the motor, I'll do what I need to do. You know what I mean? At the end.
So you're gonna build a motor too though by yourself? Like you don't worry about building a motor too?
No, I'll probably have you build the motor.
But you're not worried about like
getting it with a motor.
Yeah,
you're
not
worried about getting it
okay. I might know somebody with a roller though. I gotta see if they still have it.
Yeah.
It's a stock roller, so
perfect.
If they still have that, I'll let you know.
Yeah, definitely. Right.
You don't have plastics or nothing though, just
I don't give a fuck.
Straight roller. Just straight roller, bro.
I don't care.
No motor, no plastic, no gas tank, no nothing.
I don't care. Just give me a roller.
Okay, cause that's little accessories. Okay.
Does it have paperwork? That's
yeah.
even better.
Title.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I deal everything I have. I deal with like me personally have titles, bro. Every bike I have, my personals have titles.
Yeah, cause the niggas, you know what I mean, bro. You ever caught in a situation?
You don't know what.
Bro. You go pick your shit back up.
Exactly, easy.
So yeah, man.
But like I say, man, if you want to bring the other one tomorrow, just let me know. You can bring it tomorrow.
What time are you here in the mornings?
I mean, you can just hit me up when you're ready.
All right.
And I'm gonna be ready whenever you're ready.
Okay, cool.
Just let me know whenever you want to drop it. Just hit me. I'm gonna send you my number.
We gonna shoot it. Yo, listen, yo. Yeah. You gonna send me your number?
Be working on my bikes, on our bikes.
Yeah, bro. From now on, dog, we ain't going nobody else, man. I'd rather drive all the way out here, bro.
That's crazy. Yeah, it's like I said, bro. It's crazy you came from Kendall, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, Kendall.
I saw that YouTube video.
57 minutes, bro.
Christ. That's why, bro. That's why when you say, I'm like, okay, here, look. But when you just said Kendall, I'm like, oh, that's why. Okay. See, I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
But I have to drive back down to Kendall, pick up his bike, drive it up, dog.
That's crazy. Okay.
We're gonna bring both of them up, man. But our other boys working.
Kendall, my boy.
Yeah, man. Y'all gotta come take a ride out there, man. Come ride with us. Yeah. Nah, yo, we'll meet y'all niggas out here one day. Them niggas ride deep, man.
What's good, bro?
All right, man.
Hey, you fix electric dirt bike tires?
Electric?
Yeah.
Like a dirt bike, electric dirt bike.
Yeah, it's electric dirt bike.
The tire flat?
Yeah, the tire flat.
Okay. You already got the tire off, or you want to bring the whole thing?
Nah, I ain't got the tire off. I'm gonna need the whole front tire fixed.
You got a tube?
Nah.
So, but it's flat, right? It's just flat.
Yeah,
that's the only problem though.
Yeah.
Just need to be the tube changed.
Yeah, I need the front tire changed, and I got the tire shit right here.
Okay. Damn, what I was saying. So you want to just bring the whole bike though, right?
Yeah.
You want to bring?
I want to keep fixing that shit. Heavy as fuck.
Is the bike heavy?
Yeah,
how big it is?
That's just a big little electric dirt bike. That shit.
Oh, you got a big electric dirt. Oh, I thought you had like a little small one. That's why when you said electric, I said, hold up.
That shit big.
How fast it is?
I don't know how fast it is. That's my son's shit. I don't know.
Is it powerful?
It's decent.
Nah, that's why you just said electric. I said, hold up, man.
Yeah, it's decent. But
Damn,
I
that's
don't want
crazy.
to bring it and you can't fix it. That shit heavier than a bitch.
Okay. Yeah, that's a tube. I definitely could fix that. Like, it's just the front tube, right?
Yeah,
just flat.
Yeah, and they ain't taking no air in there.
Okay. I'm not gonna lie. If you you want to get the tube, because if you come with the tube, it's gonna be way more easier, way quicker.
Why get the tube from?
Like cycle gear. Let me see what size that was again. What size tube it is? So this is the tube right here. Yeah, cycle gear got that right now.
Yeah.
If you get that too, you can bring the thing. I'll do that quick.
What cycle gear?
Off of University.
All right. I'm gonna just let you I'm gonna go get it and come
Oh,
back to you.
all right. Hey, you tomorrow would be better. Tomorrow would be better.
Let me get your number though.
Yeah, just take my number.
Get your number, John. You should drop that shit off tomorrow.
You got my IG?
No, my brother was telling me about you. I ain't got no IG. My brother
Okay, I'm gonna put my number in the phone then. I got you.
You were telling me you fixed the shit around here. I'm like, I asked one of them niggas over here. They were like, you over here? I said, I'm saying that shit.
Yeah, that's me right there.
So, call you tomorrow, whatever time?
Yeah, well, you say you ain't trying to go to Cycle Gear. Brown Motorsport around the corner.
Motorsport?
Yeah, it's like literally 2 minutes away.
Where is that? What's the name of it?
Brown Motorsports.
All right, I'm gonna go over there.
That's like 5 minutes.
Called them and asked them, can they fix it? They ain't never
That one, if you go get the tool, bro, bring it tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
In and out.
All right.
All right. Yo.
Can we take this today? You need that front? You don't need the front. You just need the back. You need to put the battery box, right?
So I want to get it painted.
No. He's trying to do some restore that shit. He's gonna restore it real quick. While you're working on the bike.
Oh, you can take both if you want and just restore both.
Sure.
Yeah, you could. And just bring it back.
But you're not gonna be able to you'll ride it, test ride it though.
Well,
Battery box, you know what I'm saying? Because this shit right here has the battery box in it.
now I'm not gonna lie, from how it sounds,
It's gonna take a while.
yeah, the motor might be locked.
Oh, okay, exactly. So we'll take both. Yeah.
But I'm not gonna lie, even if he take it, I could, if it start up, I'll make a way for it to ride, bro. It's not nothing.
Okay.
So
All right.
if I get it to
You
crank,
need this though. You definitely need that.
yeah, this the L box. I keep on this.
Yeah, definitely need that.
So if you want to restore both of them, just
Put that one on that side.
you wanted this one too?
Yeah.
You want to restore this one? Okay. You wanted that one too, or you wanted to just leave? You wanted to do this one too?
Oh yeah.
Since it's
that one?
got a little blue in it. What you think?
No, because that one right there just tells you what's what. But I mean, yo, you know,
if you need it, I'll leave it for you.
No,
Yeah, I
this
don't
is
really-
easy.
Yeah, I don't really need it. You could. Yeah, you can take it if you want to. We good. Then when you bring it back, everything will be perfect. What's good, bro?
All right. So we're good, right?
Yeah, man. Just
All right. Yeah. Just text me
tomorrow.
info.
Oh yeah, as soon as I get in there, I got you. I'm gonna send you my number,
All right, BB.
and he gonna send you my number. Then I'm gonna get.
All right.
So.
Whatever it
You
needs.
need that V-Touch, so there's that 250.
Oh yeah, bro. You gotta bring those two, bro.
You think you'll get my 250R like that?
I promise you. If you bring it, I would.
All right.
I promise you, I would.
Because I don't want to. Yo, listen. I'm tired of fucking kicking that bitch. Nigga, I gotta move that bitch like this in the sand. Crazy shit, nigga. I'll bring it.
Hey, you bring both of them, bro. I'm gonna get you. Trust me. When you pick it up, you'll see.
All right.
Thank you, man.
All right, bro.
I had emailed you.
What's up, man?
I had emailed you.
What's
a while
good?
back.
Yeah.
I'm just saying what's up to you.
Oh, okay.
I told you to